All we're gonna need to do to use one of these is when you approach the machine, you can actually just tap on it like so. And when you tap on it, you'll actually get this nice display of all of the different coins that are available to trade on the machine. There's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, which is XRP, Solana, USD, and Tether. And once you've actually selected the coin you want to trade, you just want to click on it, the one that you want to trade with. And doing so, you'll be brought to the next screen like here, where from here, you're simply just going to want to enter in your phone number and your email and just create a PIN to actually be able to use one of these machines so that the transaction can actually be valid and it confirm that you are a valid user and can actually purchase Bitcoin. And you can basically choose up to buy $3,000 a day or $25,000 a day. Now, personally for me, I'm going to pick $3,000 a day just because it's an easier process to actually complete the application. And you can actually view all the fees on the next screen like so. And you can actually scan your ID as well as scan your phone, which will actually allow you to purchase your Bitcoin or whatever coin you're actually trying to buy. And you can easily enter in the amount of how much you actually want to purchase, and you can actually just complete your transaction like so. You do need to get the app and actually just scan your Bitcoin address or whatever coin address you're actually trying to buy using this machine, and you're good to go.